Hey everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. I want to show you guys how to make your very own chocolate face mask. It is so easy and the ingredients are simple. There's just two. That's it. Straightforward. So there's nothing in here but cocoa powder. No sugar, no additives, no preservatives, just straight up cocoa powder. You can also get this at bulk stores. Your other ingredient is plain yogurt. I'm using the original Balkan yogurt. It's 6% MF. Then you're also going to need your bowl and your measuring spoon. And your measuring spoon should be 1 tablespoon. This face mask is amazing for anyone that gets redness, rosacea, any type of acne, breakouts, really good for breakouts. There's antioxidants found in cocoa powder, so it is just a really great thing for your skin. It's a super face mask. Then the yogurt is great for balancing your pH levels, and it's also great for toning and smoothing out your skin. So there's many benefits to this face mask, but those are the main ones. Let's get over to the table and start mixing. It's as simple as that. My face smells really great right now. It smells like chocolate. What you have to do now is leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly with cool water, and then you can apply your favorite serum, moisturizer, all that kind of stuff. If you guys make this mask, let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more videos.